Welcome to CarVibe Hub. Today, we are experiencing one of the most legendary and expensive cars ever created, the Bugatti Type 41 Royale. A true symbol of royal luxury and automotive dominance from the 1920s, designed for kings and emperors rather than ordinary buyers, this car stands apart with its enormous presence, unmatched craftsmanship, and hand-built perfection that still feels unreal even today. Every curve of its body reflects power and elegance, while the long hood and signature grille instantly announce its royal status. Inside the cabin, the experience transforms into pure luxury, where premium leather, polished wood, and classic instruments create an atmosphere of timeless sophistication. Nothing feels rushed or mechanical, everything feels artistic and carefully crafted. This car was never about speed alone, but about prestige, authority, and class. Owning a Royale was not just about transportation, but about making a statement that echoed wealth, influence, and exclusivity. Even after nearly a century, this masterpiece continues to command respect and admiration, proving that true luxury never fades with time.